What's up, ladies? Happy New Year. Happy New Year. If you guys want to see how to achieve this look, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So the company I will be working with today is Xrsbeauty Hair. This is their new clear lace, and I just wanted to show you guys the difference. This is the clear lace here, and the next one that I show you guys will be the regular transparent lace. As you guys can see, it is so much more ashier and gray and does not match my skin tone, whereas the clear lace matched perfectly. And then this is their regular brown lace, and you can obviously see that that's like a dark grayish tone compared to the light gray transparent and the clear lace that I was given. Now, jumping right into the video, this is the box that I received with all my goodies. I did get an adjustable elastic band, 2 wig clips, a edge control brush with a little spoolie on the end, a wide tooth comb, and some wig caps, and also some flexi rods. This is the wig. This is their 13x6 new clear lace, SKU number LFW13. It is a 13x6 lace, and it did come pre-plucked. All I had to do was bleach the knots. It did come with adjustable straps and combs, and yeah. So, jumping right in, you guys already know I'm going to clean the perimeter of my hairline with some 99% alcohol. Once I do that, I am going to go in with some spray. We'll be using our handy dandy Even and going right in. Now, those of you who've been following me know that I always use Even spray, or sometimes I'll go in with some adhesive, but this time I was just feeling a little temporary, so I went in with my Even. But once that's clean, this is what the perimeter of your hairline should look like. I am going to go ahead and put the adjustable elastic band that they provided with me inside the wig. Once that's on, you want to go ahead and slide the wig on. Look at the lace, make sure you like everything, and get ready to cut that excess off. And y'all, this lace is already giving what it's supposed to give, period. Next, I'm going to be taking my Nutrients wax stick, and I'm just going to put that on the perimeter of my hairline, and then go in with my hot comb and press everything out. Just before I cut the lace off, I want everything looking all nice and neat. You don't want no stray hairs all in the way, getting stuck in the glue or anything like that. So once we do that, I am going to go in and hot comb, as you guys can see, and it's really, really hot, so take your time. Make sure you don't burn your lace or yourself, because I've done both. But yeah, now that that is all nice and smooth, I am going to pull back my lace and use my Even Wonder spray. I'm going to do about 2 to 3 layers using the blow dryer in between until it's a nice tacky texture. Once you like the tackiness of it, if it's sticky enough for you, you can go ahead and gently place it down like so, and we'll just finish on with the install. Next, I'm going to take my LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm just putting some of that on the back of my hand, and I'm going to go in with a makeup brush and put that into my lace. Once you do that, you want to make sure everything's nice and clean, and we're going to go ahead and place the lace down and get ready to cut off the excess to finish up this install like so. Next, I'm going to go in with some scissors and cut down the middle, and then I will be taking my eyebrow razor to cut down each side. Take your time with this. You don't want to cut yourself or cut too much lace off, and I've done both. So yeah, once I cut that off, any excess lace that you guys see, you can cut off with your cuticle scissors or your eyebrow razor, whichever one you prefer. If it's not excess lace and it just didn't adhere down, you can go right back in with the even spray like I did and re-adhere the lace until it's laid down. And then once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and do a part and pull out my baby hairs, and then we'll get ready for styling. Now we'll be doing a side part, and here I just want to show you guys you do get deep parting space. And I'm going to pull out my baby hairs now and get ready to mold those down. And while that is setting, we will get into the styling portion and I will curl my hair. But as you guys can see, that lace is definitely giving what it's supposed to give. I don't really have to put any makeup or anything in the part like I usually have to. Like, everything is laid and matching how I want it to. All I have to do is pull out my baby hairs, mold those down, and then slay it, honey. Take y'all time. Since I'm doing a side part, I'm going to do like 2 baby hairs by my temple area, and then of course my sideburns on the side. So yeah, take your time. I am going to use my Xrsbeauty setting foam and the even lace spray to lay everything down before wrapping it up with the elastic band and some wrap strips. But yeah. Before I mold everything down, I am going to go in with my tweezers and just thin them out just a little bit. This part is optional. You don't have to do this, but I just like to go in and make it look as natural as possible. So I went in and just plucked my baby hairs just a little bit to make them a little more thinner than what they are before I lay them down with my Xrsbeauty setting foam and the even lace spray. Now I'm taking my Xrsbeauty setting foam and I'm just going to lightly put that on top of the hairs that I pulled out. Once that laid down, I'm going to go back in with my even lace spray, give it a final spray. This is what melts the lace, and then you want to tie that down with a wrap strip. It can be black or white. And I got those from my local beauty supply store, sorry guys, and your elastic band. I only let that sit for like 5-10 minutes usually if I'm not styling my hair, but since I do this during the install, I keep that elastic band on the whole time I am styling it, whether I'm curling or whatever. And once I'm done, that's when I'll take that off, just so I can have the ultimate lace laid melted baby. We ain't playing no games. Next, I will be going in with my Babyless Pro titanium curler or straightener slash curler, and I will be doing some soft body wave curls. I am going to show you guys the one side, I believe, and then I'm going to come back with the other side straightened or curled already. But you guys already know, just curl away from your face. I lied. I sped this up, and you guys are gonna see both sides, and all I did was curl away from my face, starting from the bottom and then working my way up to the top. I did not cut any layers or anything in this hair, so the curls laid nicely with this hair already being a loose wave texture. But yeah, take your time. I know this is going super fast. Like I said, I sped this up just for the purpose of the video, but it took me about like 20 minutes to curl my whole head, but it was worth it. And the curls lasted, so take your time. As you guys can see, like I said, curl away from your face, small/medium sections until you get all the way up to the top, and then you want to repeat the same process on the other side until it is completed. Okay, so this is what the lace is looking like once we cut the wrap strip off. And I just cut a little slit in the middle, and then it'll start tearing, and then you can just rip it off as it goes. Don't pull too hard, because you know you don't want to mess up anything that you just laid down. But y'all cannot tell me that lace is not laid. Baby, that is looking just like my hair. Don't play with me. Now I'm going to go in with my Kamozy mini straightener, and I got this off of Amazon, and I'm just going to curl my baby hairs upwards like so. It just helps so when you do get ready to lay your baby hairs down, they're already pre-curled and you're not hustling and bustling to make them work. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to set them with some more Nairobi setting foam and a little bit of Got To Be Glue gel, and that will complete the finished look. Next, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder, and I'm just putting that in my part just to clean it up, make it look all nice and neat. And once I do that, I'm going to go in with my hot comb, flatten anything out, and then we are going to comb it out, and that will be the finished look. Okay, ladies, this is the finished look. Get into it, get into it. Again, this is Beauty XRS Hair. This is their 13 by 6 HD clear lace. Sorry, y'all, it's not HD, it's clear lace. This is their loose wave wig, and I believe it was 22 inches, and it is 200 density. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, girls. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, and thank you so much. Mwah.